guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining me. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. So today's video is going to be pretty much a part of my Everything Black series, where I will be talking about or using a black brand because it is Black History Month. So I want to be extra black. Okay, I want to be extra black. Okay, so for this video, I am going to be unboxing a purse from Brandon Blackwood. He is based in New York City. He is also Jamaican, so all my Jamaicans stand up, okay? So let's get into this video. But before we do that, hold on, Holiday. Hold on, Holiday. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. If you have not liked this video, you know what to do. And if you didn't comment, like, comment for me, and you know, tell your friends about me, like, you know, spread the word, okay? Help a sister, okay? But besides that, let's just move on to this video. And yeah, let's just, okay, so this is the box. I love a good package in the morning. I love a good package. So before I open it really fast, let me just talk about the shipping. So it probably took a week to get here. I feel like it took a little bit longer because there was a snowstorm in New York City, but even with that, it took like maybe like, yeah, it had to be a week and maybe like a couple of days or whatever. But I got this from the website. Most of his bags are sold out because they're just super popular, and I really wanted to get this one bag, but it was sold out, and I waited a little bit, waited a month. It still wasn't in stock, so I said, you know what, whatever, I still want to get a bag from him. So I got I think it's called the puffer bag. I think it's a cute little over the shoulder. I mean, y'all go see it. Hold on. Y'all go see it. So this bag, I believe, was, after tax and everything, was $1 something. I think I'm trying to find a discount code. I love me a discount. Could not find a discount code, but it's okay. So this is what the bag, or yeah, it's what the bag came like that. Also, really fast, this bag is going to come through USPS, and you are going to need a signature to get this bag. When I tell you I missed the delivery because I needed a signature, and I was at work, and I filled out the little foreign piece of paper when they drop things off, and they tell you like, okay girl, you got one more time to come get it. So I put it on the thingy like, okay, leave it at the front door and I'm gonna pick it up later, whatever the case may be. So I just happened to look out the window the next day while I'm getting ready, and the freaking package man is leaving with my package once again, and I had to literally run outside. Mind you, it was snowing. There's snow on the ground. I had my Crocs on. I didn't have no wig on, and I had to run outside to get my goddamn package. And the man was like, oh, you need a signature. You need a signature. Sir, give me my package. Give me my package. I've been waiting far too long for this package. Give me my package. But that's just a fun little tip for you guys. So if you guys ever run into that problem, that is the reason why you need a signature. Okay? But enough of me yapping my lips. Let's get into it. Okay? Now Brandon himself left me a little note. Ooh, Brandon, okay? He said, thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I loved designing them. Can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO, Brandon Blackwood. Who's out here giving you notes with bags? Who's saying thank you? Nobody. Okay, Brandon, we here. Okay, we here. So the bag, I'm so excited, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm like giddy. Okay, so this is what the bag comes in. It's almost this big. It said Brandon Blackwood on it or whatever. So okay, it comes with a dust bag. I like that a lot. Okay. let's see what's in this bag, y'all. Let's see what it look like. Okay, so I got dust pink. I don't know why. I love a good pink. I don't have a pink bag, like a all pink bag, so I feel like this was a perfect addition to my set. So this is what the bag looks like, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if I should turn off my ring light so you can really see the shade of the bag. I don't think it's doing it justice, so let me, hold on, y'all. Damn, the root of my light, the lighting in my room, this sucks. Let me turn this back on. Ooh, that was like a horrible. But okay, so this is the bag. It's giving me puffer. It's giving me like, that's why it's really called a puffer bag. So let me open it up. It has a zipper. Okay, so it comes with 2 chains. One is like over shoulder, one is crossbody, okay? So this is the crossbody one over the shoulder. It's the tissue in here for me. Nah, this bag has mad space. Oh my gosh. For over the shoulder bag, this bag has mad space. Okay, mad space. So let me see with the thingy on. Collapsing a little sturdy. Okay. I did not think this bag was gonna be this big. Like, I'm actually very surprised that it's this big. Like, I thought it was going to be like smaller, so I'm fairly surprised I can fit a lot of things in here. So let me just model it for you guys real fast. It's like, I'm not gonna say metallic, but it has like a cute little reflection to it. Like, this is cute. Like, I'm actually really satisfied. Like, I'm actually happy. Now let's see it with the long body or whatever. Okay, this is it. Let's do crossbody. Okay. Let's do crossbody, baby. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I'm satisfied. I've been waiting all week to open this goddamn bag. Inside comes with a nice little tag, stitched well, comes with a zipper on the inside for like a personal small belonging. Oop, I just closed it. But for your personal small belongings, got some space, and then on the other side it comes with one little pocket. So yeah, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. This is giving me just summertime bag though. Like, I probably would not wear this in the did I say summertime? I meant this is giving me wintertime bag. Whoa, it's giving me as soon as the puffer coat come out, this bag come out. Okay, I'm just happy it has so much space. Like, that's probably the best thing about this bag. Like, it has mad space, especially because shoulder bags, they do not have space. I did really want the bag, like, it's like a box and it just says Brandon Blackwood on it. I really wanted that one. I love little small purse like that you hold like that in pictures. I really wanted that, but it was sold out, like I said. But they do have other bags on the website. They got like cute little book bags. If you're like into book bags, that's super cute. They have over the shoulder bags. So if you want to support a Black business that actually has good looking bags, okay, quality bags, then I would say definitely shop there. Okay. Also, this video was not sponsored, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know down below. And if you want to see more of my content, just subscribe. But yeah, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.